Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Hacker7. Today I'll be showing you guys two unique app stores which you probably never heard of before. Now these stores basically has some unique applications and that is why I chose them. It's not necessarily alternative to the Play Store, but if you are looking for some unique apps to test on your Android devices, I definitely recommend these stores. And I'm definitely not talking about Aptoid or APK Pure because those just copy repositories from the Play Store and upload their apps. Now these two app stores are very unique in their own way. They have few similarities to each other, but they are unique in some way or form. Now, as you can see on my home screen, I have two apps, Fdroid and Foxy Droid. I know Fdroid maybe stands for Foxy Droid, but yeah. So let me first open Fdroid. Now this app basically has quite a lot of unique apps that you've probably never seen or heard of before. These apps, most of these apps that I've seen on here don't contain ads, so I'd be guessing that they're premium apps. They have categories here, but the thing is with this store it takes quite a bit of your bandwidth to load the images or icons for these apps. But as I've said, this contains apps which are very useful and apps that you've probably would like to use but you've never seen before. Say for example, if I should go into development, there are quite a few interesting apps here that I'm sure you won't find on the Play Store. And one thing to note, this store basically updates quite frequently, so the apps will be updated in like within a week or so. The store would run updates and so on. And as I said, it has a few apps as the Play Store, but it has some apps which definitely aren't on the Play Store. So I'll be providing you guys a download link in the description for you to check out this app, and it can update your apps on your phone. If you have any that requires update, it will update it. Overall, this is a very unique store which I recommend you guys to give it a try and test out a few of these apps, because I've definitely found quite a few interesting apps on here which I use on a daily basis. So I'd give you guys this app so you could give it a try. Now the next one is Foxy Droid. Now a little thing I like about this, upon first opening the app, it basically has a cleaner user interface. It is not crowded as the other one with some huge tiles displaying the app icons, and this is categorized into more categories here. So if you're into games, you could check out the games that they have on this, but most of the games on this are basically games to increase your mental capacity. They are, for example, games to allow you to be more intellectually inclined in some way or form, and they're not like games on the Play Store which are basically just for fun, most of them. And if you're also into, let's say, networking, internet, you could find a few useful tools here to assist you on your daily routine. So for example, if you're looking for a tool to scan your network or analyze packets or anything like that, you could easily use this store to find, or this app store to find such things. And it's basically one click install. When you click on install, it will automatically start into download, or it would definitely connect to the app server and then start to download, but I won't download that. I'm just showcasing what this store is made of. And once again, I'll provide you a link in the description which you guys can check out these apps if you're interested, or these app stores. I guarantee you'll find some interesting apps on here, apps that you've never seen or heard of before. And it shows the apps that I have installed from these repositories, and if any of them needs to be updated, it will automatically prompt me to do so. So those are two interesting app stores. I want you guys down in the comments to write if you've ever heard of these app stores before. If you have, please say so, and if you haven't, please do so. And if you're new to my channel, I provide you with tech tips and all of that. So if you're interested in finding ways to do things or unique tech, newcoming and upcoming tech, please subscribe and leave a like down below. I'm always here to provide that for you guys. So once again, thank you guys for watching today's video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hacker 007 out.